Welcome to KVT videos. It's a common platform to learn and explore different BI tools currently in the market. In this KVT video, we will explore Jasper Studio tool. Specifically in this video, we will cover parameters. Parameters, base properties. Name, type, description, is for prompting, default value expression. These are the properties. Basically, parameters are used to change the values at runtime as per the environment, so that user can provide input to execute the report. Go to the Jasper Studio and go to the outline pane. There is a parameter section where you can see built-in parameters, or you can right click and create your own parameter. While creating your own parameter, in the properties we need to specify the name of the parameter so that we can reference in future. Like I given the name initial, and the class is like java.lang.string. That means it's a type, parameter type, which is I mentioned here, the second property as type. Then comes to description. So description is a parameter's description so that user can know what is the meaning of the parameter. Let's say we just created a parameter initial, but we should tell what is the initial. So please inform the user, like in the description, enter employee initial. So now user when asked to enter the value, he knows. The fourth property is like is for prompting. Is for prompting is the property to tell the user that this parameter requires input from the user. Then only the report can run. So there is a checkbox. If you uncheck, it will not ask. If you check, it prompt to enter the value. Default value expression. This value expression is like when you specify some value into this default value, and when you run the report, it will automatically run with that value in that parameter. Parameters, built-in parameters. There are a lot of parameters built in. I picked up like report underscore connection, report underscore data source, report underscore locale, report underscore time zone. So these parameters you can see in the parameter outline, which are in gray areas, like report underscore connection, report underscore context, report file, Jasper underscore report, so like that. So what I did, I taken those four: report underscore connection, report underscore data source, report underscore local, and report underscore time zone, to see how we can use those built-in parameters. And these parameters are read only. We can't write it, we can read it. So in the report area I kept. So I'm executing so that we can see the values. We have the parameters, that's why it's asking for the value. So we just put some value. Sometimes one empty record, so specify your database connection so that it will run accordingly. So report underscore connection has some connection ID, some system generated ID is there. Report data source, some JR report data source. Report underscore locale, what locale, English underscore US accent. Report time zone is like Asia, Singapore. As I'm sitting in Singapore, so that's why it's showing the Singapore time zone. Parameter usage. How to use the parameters in a SQL query. So go to the, so first I'm checking all the settings are correct. Then go to the dataset and query. So this is already a written one query on that, but we don't have any parameter because there is no where condition. Go to parameter section. There we can see the initial, our build, our parameter, rest of the inbuilt parameters. So just copy the employee initial and then equals to drag initial parameter. Now it's ready. Click OK. Now try to execute it by clicking on preview. So already we specify some a value, so it's taken the a value. Just go to input parameter pane, click put b and run it. So it's now filtered out based on the parameter value which I have given at the runtime. So when we go to design pane, you can see we have our creator parameter as well as inbuilt parameter. So basically the gray parameters are the inbuilt and black one is the created. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.